Sometimes it's the real small things that just make such a big upgrade to your life. So once a month, I like to go in and kind of do a deep clean on some of the items that I do a daily clean on. And so one of those things is my kitchen sink. I like to use one of these Scotch-Brite Dobie or scouring pads. When I do this cleaning, I get a new one. And then I also really like this Clorox cleaner plus bleach that I do once a month, and I make sure it's really cleaned out before we put dishes in it. So very simple. You can kind of see it's ready to be cleaned out. I am just going to spray this in and then go ahead and use this to really, and you're going to see just how well this shines. And I wish there was smell-o-vision because you're going to just smell the clean that happens in here. This is a non-scratch sponge, so I really like it because I know that I'm not scratching up my stainless steel. And just that quickly, I've now deodorized and bleached out my sink. I've scoured it to make sure that it's nice and clean, and I know that I've stopped those germs, so now my daily clean is going to be perfectly acceptable for the rest of the month.